Hey guys, I'm again here with a new video to help you guide a bit. So, I'm gonna share with you some apps that you people can use through which you can align your UPSC preparation and can make it more organized. So, I just use these apps one is this Trekkie IAS. Trekkie IAS. You can use this app. This is quite good. I mean, you have entire syllabus of UPSC here, and you can use this app as a checklist. I mean, this is the best way to study. Like, if you're checklisting anything, then you're doing the great job. So here you have the entire syllabus of UPSC prelims, and if you want, you can go for this one also, mains types. But still, if you are still you're preparing for the pre, then you can use this. Here you will have all the syllabus of all the subjects, and when you are studying, you what you can do is you can make a task bar for yourself. Like, you can go here and you can take any of these things, like you are going to study this and this today. So topic is successfully added into your task. Then what you can do is you can easily check what are your tasks for today. Like, from here, my tasks, so you have these tasks like for the day. So it will help you to just checklist this. You have done this, you have done that, you have done, like, you can do this and this and this, and you can check that what you have completed and what has left. So I think this can help you a lot. And one more app that I have for you guys is this to-do list. Along with this app, what you can do is this will help you uh, see, you can make your to-do list here, and after that, one best thing about this app is until unless you are done with your task, it will keep on notifying you again and again. And one thing that I think about every aspirant is that we have the conscience that we cannot take the bar without completing the task. So अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो कोई भी टास्क कंप्लीट और ये आपको बार बार नोटिफाई कर रहा है, तो दिस ये आपको कंटिन्यूसली आपके अंदर गिल्ट फील करता रहेगा, तो आप उसको करोगे ही. सो आई थिंक यू पीपल कैन ट्राई दिस वन. लाइक, this is the way it keeps on showing you notifications. Okay, and the other one that I have for you guys is this one. It's habit tracker app, and what you can do with this is you can go for it, like, where that app is. Yeah, here it is. So what you can do with this app is you can just prepare some of the tasks that you want to do, habits, like you want to do this sports, you want to do no sweets, you want to, whatever you want to do, you can just stick that thing here, and you can easily track all the habits that you have, bad or good, and you can easily go for the good ones and just neglect the bad ones. Okay, like this can show you about your all the stats that you have completed in the entire week. And see, one more app that I'll show you guys is this one, where it is. हाँ, so you people will love this app, because what happens with us is हम हर दिन सोचते ज़रूर हैं कि कल से हम ये ब्लॉक कर देंगे, but we forget to do that. I mean, we literally forget that we need to just block the apps, we need to switch off the phone, and whenever something happens and we just give our half an hour or 1 hour, we miss the targets that we set for ourselves. So with this app, what you can do is you can just set the time that at this point of time, it I need to just left the phone. So it will automatically block you all the apps that you want to avoid, and it will open them after the time that you have given to yourself. Like, अगर आपने सुबह 7 बजे से इसको सेट कर दिया कि बंद हो जाए, और शाम को 7 बजे जाकर ओपन हो, तो ये शाम को 7 बजे खुद ब खुद ओपन हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट, क्योंकि आप जैसे उस ऐप को खोलने की कोशिश करोगे ना, द बेस्ट थिंग आई लव अबाउट दिस इज it just sends you a quote, and after reading that, you cannot literally, you cannot stop yourself from studying. So I literally feel that this will help you a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. I think this will help you